So today's vlog will all be about the assembling the cot from the IKEA. So I have to set the IKEA bed over here. So the challenge is now. She gave me a challenge stating that you have never done this. Will you be able to do it or no? So I am going to fix this bed without anyone's help. So this is the challenge given by my wife. So let's go ahead and fix it. And putting the waste cardboard again inside. So these are the things which are out of the box right now. Fitting items which are tools. This is the manual. Waste cardboard. Look at it, how difficult task it's going to be, and this is going to be a challenge by my wife to me. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead. First step is Manual. Step 1 is sorted, step 2 is sorted, which is 16 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these. Okay, and step 2 is 6 of these, 6 of these, 16 of these, and 2 of this. That's it. These two. So we are all ready with the fittings. All the 3 steps are sorted. So this is the step 1, this is the step 2, and this is the step 3, which has 2 pairs of, which has 1 pair of 2 rods, 1 pair of 2 rods, 1 pair of 2 rods. And these are the, this is the pulley, this is the screws with flaps, this is Allen key, this is the fixture, this is clip, this is the furniture, this is the nuts and bolts and clippings. So all 3 steps are sorted. Now let's go ahead and assemble it. to take this, and I was wondering how to fix this. So the catch here is you need to put this on the upstairs, and then you need to put this here, and once you put it here, you need to take the screwdriver and tighten it up, and that's it. It caught the friction, so it's not moving now. Over. This is fixed. It can't come out. And the step 3 is you need to take these two, these one, and these, all these two, and you need to fix it like this, as we did it in the previous video. Right. Step 4 is we are going to fix this and push it off as shown in the manual. So the next steps what I did is I fix these fulcrums with these woodens, and on the other side also I put these, and also downstairs and here downstairs. So I'll have to fix these holes this way and make the stand. Right, let's go ahead. We have made this board right now. Let's go ahead and make the planks. And the next step is you need to fix this bolt into this nut. Perfect. So the one mistake led me to book an urban clap technician for this, and he's right now fixing this. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the video at the end of the time after we fix it. The two side planks, put the furniture on it, and then bed, and then I'll keep you posted.
एक स्क्रू एक्स्ट्रा नहीं देता.
If you need any kind of furnishing in Sainikpuri, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also contact Bhaiya, and I will mention his number in the description.